I am a cash register, a very sick cash register who suffered from cash register phobia. That's anomia for cash registers. This is my story of how I survived. Woohoo! Or how I didn't survive. I don't know. Screw the door. Let's use the window.
Ah! A crash register! I don't want another crash register!
Stop. It looks very sick and very hollow.
Hollow? Did it mean more money? I need more money. I need more money.
No, let's first weigh it.
It is £0.
Okay, let's get some dollars, some coins. Sucked. Now, oh my gosh. Okay, I got some coins. Let's throw it on.
Why do you not let me do it?
Okay.
I want the money. That is my own money. Come on. It's going up.
It's only £0. Dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh, the special effects are failing. You could see the flashlight. See the pain. Hey, where's the doctor?
I'm taking a poopy. I'm taking a poopy.
Doctor, come back! Through the window.
But there's no bathroom anywhere. Oh my gosh.
Come in.
Oh my gosh, there's no bathroom. Ooh, radio.
It's a J-Bay. Oh. Okay. Since that didn't work, let's put on,
Bill Gates.
Yes. Okay, I got Bill Gates.
Ah! Oh no, you're not gonna take my money. You're not gonna take. Okay.
Actually, let's try Bill Gates made first.
Take the doctor. This doctor thingy. Oh my gosh, it's not fitting. It's not fitting. Yummy.
Okay, let's see what about. We got only £0. That is horrible. How about let's try Bill Gates himself. Oh my gosh, Docter, throw him out the window. Okay, tray.
Now let's take off all the money first.
Okay. Take off all the money. Take off all the money.
Let's see how much Bill Gates weighs first. Let's see how much Bill Gates weighs. He weighs a reasonably 12 pounds of richness. No, more than 12 pounds of richness.
Okay, so now we put on the cash register. Wait, let's stuff the cash. Let's stuff Bill Gates into the cash. No, don't stuff me.
I can kill you now.
Let's burn him.
Burn him.
Burn the Bill Gates. Burn, baby, burn, baby, burn.
I'm here. Bye-bye.
Help me. It's so burning. It's burning.
Let me use this fan on you, Bill Gates. Can I have some of your money?
It's a firecracker.
Show the firecracker to the audience.
Oh, wait. Okay, so let's do some fire show. It looks so magnificent. Look at this awesomeness. The diary of a head. Dark Diaries. Love that dog.
Love that dog. He's a great show.
Oh, and don't forget Rainbow Magic, Junie Jones, Narnia, and who could be the next one? Disney Fairies. No. And now, some Warriors extras that you cannot find in Weird Warrior Days or anything like that. You'll just have to wait and see. I don't want to wait and see. I'll just eat this. No. Oh, it tastes like chicken. Oh my god, it's a path. I must follow it. No, you're gonna break the trail.
staying here, stealing my chicken, eh? Nom nom. Why? Why did time stop? Tell me, my love. Oh, you died. Oh no, time's starting again. Ah, you killed my